we have been moving around. Actually, on the 18th, I've been in Bweju, because Bweju is one of the districts that also grow coffee. I'm going to take their experts to teach them and how to protect their coffee from insects, because we have those insects that affect coffee. One, you have a chance that you learn how to protect your coffee from these problems that affect coffee. You can get medicine also to protect, because this factory will not just collect coffee only, but will teach people how to grow coffee and how to protect it. So people will benefit. There will be classes. As we speak now, on Saturday we have people from Chiga. Last Saturday there were people from Chungura. They go to the factory and they are teachers, people who teach them how to grow coffee, how to protect it. We have been getting districts participating. MPs, they take their people there to teach them how to grow coffee. So it's an important thing. It's not about collecting coffee or business, but teach people how to grow coffee and how to protect it, and even provide seeds.
Chairman, over time we've seen factories start in Uganda and die after some time, simply because they lack supply.
Yes.
These raw materials. Now we have established a coffee factory in Tunga, a place that is well known for coffee farming. How ready is the country in terms of constant supply if we are not to lose the market that we look at establishing in the near future?
Okay, thank you. First of all, myself, I'm not part of the factory, but my point is to teach people and to motivate people to grow coffee. So when we have a number of people growing coffee, then we have a good supply. My benefit is people to grow coffee and benefit themselves, not for the factory. I'm not part of the factory, but my message, when I saw that factory, and the president has been pushing, so I'm also pushing for people to grow, because I know people can benefit. I'm starting with people to grow coffee, I'm not starting with the factory. So when we have many people that are into coffee, the supply will always be there. And I don't think the factory will fail, because as you have mentioned, they fail because they lack supply. So we start with people to grow. Once we have more, the market is available. And this factor, actually, why I'm supporting it, because it's going to add value. It's a value addition. Because we are not going to do like others. People will even go and buy already for drinking. And a lot of things, actually there are chocolates made out of coffee, and we are targeting even to reach an extent of producing perfume. You know, the coffee produces good perfume.
Okay. So we can go to Uganda version now. Yes.
Mwebale nyo basebo, webudde bwamwe, ate n'okubeera nga muweereza eggwanga, kiki ekifa mu ggwanga, muli ba muwendo nnyo era mbasiima, kubanga tutambudde wamu, era ndaba bye mutuusa message zaffe ze twogera ku ggwanga nezituusa mangu. So leero tuli mu kwogera ku kofi gye twogerako, there is a factory in Ntunga mu Rwasameeri, tugenda gigerawo nga 24, naye tugenda kubeera ne Rwani, era mpita abantu bajje ku Rwani eyo, kubanga wajja kubeerawo ebintu bingi. Tugenda kuyigiriza abantu engeri gye balina okulimamu emwanyi, engeri gye balina okugikuuma, okulaba nga obuwuka tebugwonoona, kubanga abantu oluusi agenda n'alima tamanyi kiki ekigenda kukyukako. So wagenda kubeerawo conference okuyigiriza abantu engeri gye balina okulimamu, ate n'engeri gye balina okugikuumamu, era n'engeri gye bagenda okubenefitiramu, engeri gye bagenda okufunamu. Kubanga guno si mwanyi gwa bulijjo, emwanyi egenda kwongerako ku bbeeyi kati olw'okuba nti eno factory egenda kufulumya ekiwedde. So bw'oba obadde otunda emwanyi go kiro nga ku mutwalo, ojja kusanga ng'oli ku mitwalo 2 pa kiro. So kya muwendo nnyo. So nsaba bannayuganda bonna, naddala abantu abali mu Western, kubanga factory eri Ntunga mu Western Uganda, babadde banafu ate ng'abantu balina amataka njagala abantu bayiga okukozesa amataka waffe waliyo ekizibu kyokusanga ngaomuntu ayaga kwera omwana n'atunda eka y'ettaka naye 1 acre esobola okulabirira famire esobola okusomesa n'abaana ku famire paka ku university kubanga tusuubira nti 1 acre esobola okuba nga ecollectinga more than 12 million per annum. So bw'obanga omuntu asobola okufuna over 12 or 15 million mu family kya muwendo nnyo abantu bajja kuba nga tebakyatunda ttaka oba obuntu obutonotono. So nsaba bannayuganda nga 24 tubeere ntungamo kubanga bingi ebyokuyiga ate mbasuubiza waliyo n'entertainment nga naddala youth tulinayo entertainment tugenda kusanyusamu abantu. Diamond Platinum oba temumanyi agenda kubeerayo agenda kuperforminga ntungamo so laba sikyamuzanyo. So nsaba bannayuganda tubeereyo nga 24 omugenyi omukulu pulezidenti w'eggwanga ajja kubeerayo naye yagenda okugulawo factory. Tulina emikolo okutandika nga 21 mpaka 24 waliyo zikonferensi ez'abakyala n'ez'abasuubuzi so bintu bingi ebigenda okubeerawo mu wiiki eyo. So nsaba bannayuganda babeereyo ekikulu ennyo okujja okuyiga engeri gyolina okulimamu omwani era n'okuwulabirira.
Abantu balina that attitude simanyi attitude kirere mu Uganda naye balina attitude ebirime bye balima overtime bazze balima naye nga tebafunamu kiryawo kibagasa. Usanga omuntu alimye leero ng'atunze kanaana season eddako atunze 2-5 abantu bagwamu amaanyi. Kino kyotandise ekyokubuulirira abantu wentegesa otya okulaba nga abantu batuuse yengereza gye balina.
Webale nnyo kati ekizibu ekibaddewo waliwo kye bayita monopoly nga abatwala emwanyi ebweru batono so nga beekwata maketi ng'akugula nga bwayagadde. Kati naawe waliwo competition ate eno factory ey'ekirungi ekigiriko tegenda kuba nga yetunda guno omwanya ogw'okusunsula n'otwala outside market egenda kwongerako value ebeeta value addition. Olaba nti kati omwanya guba oba obadde otunda kiro ku mutwalo oyinza kwesanga ng'otunda mitwalo 2 olw'okuba bano bagenda kuba nga bakola ekiwedde nga batwala finished product ebweru coffee ready to drink nga bwolaba mu supermarket bagenda kusupplyinga supermarket wano biki era mbasaba muyige n'okunywa kofi kubanga bw'oba olaba ebweru katugeze mu America a cup of coffee is $1 naye osanga ng'abantu emitwalo nga 4 banywa kofi a day. Those are $400 million a day. So tuyige okunywa kofi bwe tuba tunywa kofi that means ne market naye beeyeyongera muyige okunywa kofi. Kofi ddagala n'okuba eddagala mugende mu gugolinge it's good for our health. Edda bakiyitanga nti okunywa kofi kiba kitegeeza nti toyagala kwebaka. Yes tulina ekizibu ky'okwebaka nekitakola nywa kofi okole.
Luli twalina gavumenti ng'eyambako okugaba endokwa z'emwanyi mulundi guno supply mutunuulidde target ki abagenda okusupplyinga abantu emwanyi gye bagenda okulima?
Eno factory yokka egenda kuba nga esupplyinga abantu kubanga erina okubawa balime ate bagisupplyinga. Ekitegedde eno factory si yakuba nti egenda collecting erina okubawa seedlings bagende balime ate bakomyewo batunde mu factory eyo. Olina omukisa ogenda kufuna ensigo ate ofune ne market. Kirikiriya.
Okay. Okay. So chairman tugambire omulunyankore twahurira ngu ebiro 24 aza kwiguraho factory ey'omwani. Factory ejo eyizireta abwenshi mushazire okugireta omura ankore ntumanya n'abantu bakwinga ebitookye bakuri sente aha murundi ogumuresereho n'amajani ningashi omwani okwinga omwani tugambire ekiteekateeka kirugire kandi nka ankore rugye ningashi Uganda yona neza kufuna mwe.
Webale munonga okureba ngu minisitya omuhereza ihanga amazina nwagira Michael Toyota Kaguta National Vice Chairman Patriotic League of Uganda. Factory egi eri ntungamu niyo muntu nk'omuntu nawe enzarwa yantungamo wagize ekiteekateeko akagira ati abantu b'owaitu nabo kambareetere eki ahabw'okuba abantu baire batandikire kuhinga omwana omuryankore kikaba kitariyo kurya kari konka waza kureeba na hati already omwana guri mu kisoro factory emyaka yeine n'abantu abatandikire okuhinga abantu nibo babanize factory konka babene babonabona so omuntu yagira ekiteekateeko ky'okugira ngu kaaba isiti obuheereza haihi yataho factory konka ninyenda kugambira ngu omugisha oguriho omuryankore abantu baine amataka batunga ekyokukora bashomesibwa okuza haiguru y'omwana n'edakiika emwe ahabw'okuba baine amataka hati nyonka orikugambira already ndiyo niza kushitira hiika 20 bukiri muto nibwo ntandikire kuhinga hiika 20 konka hiika 20 nomanya ekirikumanyisa haza hariho abantu baingi abari omu hiika 5 abagiire omuri hiika 30 so ninyenda kuhamiza ngu oriya wakatunga ekiteekateeko konka abantu bankore n'abakozi baheza kushomesibwa ekyokukora babeire baine amataka hati kutunga okushomesibwa eki baine okutungamu habeire hariyo ekizibu ky'okutunda amataka kushanga omuntu natunda hiika y'itaka kushomesa omwana konka ninyenda kugambira ngu wahinga hiika emwe y'omwana noshomesa abaana niwe wenka nogaruka noyereebera so ninshaba abanyarwanda ekintu eki bakitware nk'enshonga nkuru ahabw'okuba nikibayamba iwe hinga omwana gwawe watunga omugisha noza kutunga embibo ya busha noza garuka notunga n'obuhabuzi bwa busha aho ndikugambira district zose nizitwara abantu kubegyesa aha factory egi weekend egi habeera hariyo ekirugura egi ehoire egi weekend nihaza kuba hariyo Bukiga district nayo neshoma eriya weekend hakaba hariyo abaibanda abantu nibashoma actually nkaibandayo bahingire munonga omwana bagiire hari munonga so abanyarwanda baine omugisha ahabw'okuba batunga omwana gwabo kugira akatare nohinga akatare kariho tokabaasa kukamara ahabw'okuba egi factory neeza kuba neyongeraho aha mutindo nekora omwana kubisiti aha kunywa tubeire nitukora omwana tukutwara aheeru tugaruka tugurayo kaawa nibyo tuguhinga bahika kurya bagukora bagaruka bakutuguza expensive oshanga kirobere nogitunda omutwaro hati nibagiguza emitwaro 5 konka ebi byona nibiza kuba nibikorwa factory okwahere nituza kuba nitutwarayo ebihoire shanje nkiro nitwahere nitugitundira yaha emitwaro 5 ahabw'okuba omwana gwetu nimurungi so nishaba abanyarwanda okuza omu nsonga egi ahabw'okuba neyihaho obworo iwe nk'omuntu noza kutungamu factory ngo niyo kuza kutungamu nishaba abanyarwanda kutamu amaani kuhinga omwani ahabw'okubinga obworo omu maka gaabo nimbeta ebiro 24 by'okwezi oku kwa kataano tuza kuba twineho ebintu bingi twineho emikoro mingi factory neeza kwigura ahabw'okushomesibwa twineho okwirukanga ahabw'okuba okwirukanga nako n'amagara g'omuntu so twineho coffee run egi factory nibagyeta Inspire Africa Coffee so Inspire nomanya ekikumanyisa mbwenu okutamu amaani omu bantu kutamu amaani omu Africa kumanya ngu baine nibabaasa kwebereraho ahabw'okuba egi kofi omuntu iwe nk'omuntu nobinga obworo omuka yawe so nimbashaba abanyarwanda mwije aha rwane egi y'ebiro 24 mwije naza kuba mukora okugura factory naza kuba y'abagyenyi bakuru actually nititeekateeka na president wa Kenya kwijaho mu Uganda president waha naza kuba ariyo naija kuba ariyo I think mu biro 2021 hariyo entertainment kuturukeza ebi byona hariho kuza kusanyukamu Diamond Platinum nomumanya naza kuperforminga ntungamo abanyantungamo mwine omugisha gw'okwerebera aha superstar Diamond Platinum n'abantu bo mu Western so ebiro 24 mbeyo tusome twirukange kandi tugaruke tushemere mwe bari munonga
ejo buryo rimeyo kwegesa abantu no kwamanyisa nanga cyo kubagurura ku mbinyi ngatira abantu abingi bizene bateme emyaka nashwe nkungiye ntabwo nshonga yo kutagira sente n'imihendo ku maneko n'imyano kuri hakaburu wanyu ejo buryo ati nashwe nkura ha n'imyano yatemere no mugarura muto muhimbo kureba muri ejo yagaragara yangu
nugira tumushogo tumbire factory iziri ntungamo n'umuntu kubanza kandi nshaba ngo ugende umutware yabanza arebe na factoration group agarikemo amana amanyangu icyabira takareba gati kizire aha bokuba omwana gwe abira tene katara kana katara omwana tugwakiza hero nubuza kuzahariya nibakoraho nogaruka nugwinyweraho nugwihantungamo nogutwara factory ntungamo nogaruka nuguramo echwe icyo garuka kugenda ukaza kutomu cyayi yawe obere notundo mwani ugaruka zo mu supermarket kuzagurayo warigira heru umwana waza bagutwara heru kandi bagaruka bakutugaraho
ngo ya koperative zinezagaruka hariyo ushanga ngo imihendo kwiyabiregwa umwana bakubika imihendo kitemba bagaruka bapereza icyo nkora nezagaruka na factory
abya cooperative timbusha kubugambaho iyo ni ngamba hariyo kicenyine kindi kumanya ahabo kubeke n'ikitekateko cyo muntu konkanyowe kunarebere ikitekateko cyo muntu narebe icyo kwasa kuyamba abantu niyo murimo gwanjye no kushaba abanyarwanda kugira ngo batunga mumu tindi wa factory konka factory ngazayo nagira ambara narebe gukora kandi narengwa abanyarwanda bashimira kwetegereza ikiriya muri aha mwanya bamanye ikibabuza kutungamo igiti cooperative ni company yo muntu yatandikire konka government ya supportinga aha gukoreba ibyo yerekereye gukora aha bwa value addition eyeretsire aha mwana gwetu
amwine ntekateka ki eyo kushomesa abantu okuhinga omwani nadara na munongo kubashanga omu region zabo umuntu nabasa kubasa ku rugambare ukana nabasa kuhinga omwani ku rugambare agureta ku supplying muri ntunga mwine ntekateka ki
entekateka ningira ni yeji igitivi yawe tinkamye ngo nekomaho mu kampani no wambara ryo natreba na kubicyazo bantungamo tuko mazima aha koza TV no kusomesa ihanga ryona konka ntizagumana shaba n'abantu kuzayo physically kwerebera ahubwo kwa nakoreka ku Stayo districts mutupicking abantu kamagana 2 bazayo bashoma picking igana bazayo bashoma abo bantu waba district impamyanza kwetora districts za Uganda zone zipasa kwiwe abo kuma factory yonka capacity yayo ni mpamvu n'umuntu kandi n'ubura ngo nekore ibintu bingi nimbashaba ngo abantu beje berebere baboroke in products kurenga muri kuzwe ngo muri kofi